So you see, myself and my wife, we're planning on a honeymoon, man.
Okay.
Yes.
Where do you guys plan to go to?
Cape Town, my brother.
SA?
Yes, boss. yeah. I tell you.
Yeah, Cape Town is beautiful.
Yeah. My wife is just one excited woman. I tell you.
Yeah.
She wants to shop down the whole
Of course.
Come on whose bill? What are you talking about? You said,
but you know women.
Brother.
You can't change them.
Oh, God. And you see, hey, what's going on there?
What?
I mean, that distance. Oh my God.
That's an accident. Wait, what are you doing? Wait. Are you actually stopping to go there?
Yes, now.
Hey, man, what's your problem? It's not our business.
My friend, what is wrong?
Wow.
Hey, what are people doing here? Help him out, sir. You please help him out.
Wow.
This is like
Jesus Christ. Hey.
Sorry.
This one, you can't like this. Stop it! All right. Let's go.
Help his hand now. Why you help this man? Suffering. Quick, 90 or quick. Inside. Go outside, help her. Go inside, help him. Yeah, don't go drink. What is going on here? We've been here for over 12 minutes and you guys are so relaxed. What is happening? What's going on?
Oh, okay. Maybe we should start taking sick people to the river instead of the hospital. What's all this now? I don't understand. I mean, you people are not even talking.
Please, calm down. Don't be annoyed. The doctor will soon be here.
What do you mean the doctor will soon be here? We've been here for...
Excuse me, where is the doctor?
He'll soon be here.
What do you mean he'll soon be here? What are you talking about? Where is the doctor?
He'll soon be here. Just calm down. Calm down.
Who are making noise here? This is the hospital and not the marketplace. Matter.
Yes, doctor.
What does the police report have to do with this man?
What kind of sick hospital is this? I mean, the doctor couldn't even listen to me. Hey, Enyoma, wait.
Yes.
Where are you going to now?
Sorry, I didn't let you know. They said I should go get police reports before they commence treatment on the boy.
Wait. You actually want to go there? To the police station?
Of course now.
Enyoma, what is wrong with you now? What's wrong with you? See how you're sweating for another man's trouble? Look, it's not too late for us to leave this guy alone. What's wrong?
Stop it.
Me, I'll run.
Oh, stop it. What's your problem? Are you a human being or are you a robot? What's your problem? Look, I'm going to the police station. You just stay back here, pressurize these people to help this boy.
Okay, you want to go then? Me, I'll stay back. I should stay back.
Of course now. What's wrong with you?
Come and go now. What do you mean I should stay back? We brought this guy to this place. Now you want to run?
Me run?
Yes, you want to run.
Don't you know me?
I don't know you.
Why would I run?
run?
My friend, just stay back here and pressurize these people to help this boy. Stop it!
Look, Enyoma, don't run. Look, Look, Enyoma, if you leave me here and run, God will punish your family.
God has no reason to punish my family because I'm coming back.
Don't run, no.
Just stay back here, no.
Osi, you see this boy? I will kill him. And because I want arrest, I will kill him.
I took an accident victim to the hospital and they said they wouldn't treat him without a police report, so I want one now, please.
Ah.
Yes.
Come this way. You see, first of all, you have to make your own report on paper. You understand?
Yes.
You will write how, you will write everything that happened. How you saw the man, and how you couldn't hold your brake until you hit him.
Excuse me, I didn't hit him, all right? I actually saw his car already upside down and I decided to help the man, that's all.
You will write everything. You will write everything for paper.
All right, give me the paper and pen, let me write.
Paper. Enter the side. You go see one OC by your right. He go help you.
This way.
Just this way.
Are you the one looking for a report?
Yes.
What is the man's name?
He's an accident victim I just picked. I don't know his name. I took him to the hospital.
What is his color?
He's dark, chocolate.
What of his, the color of his eyes?
Look, the man had blood stains all over him. I didn't look at his eyes, no.
What of his height can you guess?
Say 5 feet.
Any tribal mark?
5 foot plus, thereabout. No tribal marks, no.
What are the two major languages he can speak?
What is this? What is wrong? Look, the man was crying in pain. I told you he's an accident victim, okay? He was crying in pain. How would a man crying in pain start telling you the number of languages he speaks?
What of his blood group?
What is wrong with these people? What is this? Look, this is somebody's life we're toying with here, all right? Do you want to give me this police report or I go somewhere else? What's this? How am I to know his blood group? Am I his father?
Anyway, be patient because we have no light. Unless you're in a position to bring money so that you can fuel light generator.
What is this?
Excuse me.
Look, come and take the money. Come.
Yeah, they've taken him to the hotel. Enyo.
Yes. Oh, this policeman. Yes. While going to get the police reports, I just decided they come here themselves. I like clarity. Yes. It's all right. It's okay. Doctor. Yes.
He lost a lot of blood.
What?
We lost him.
What are you talking about? What do you mean you lost him? No. What are you talking about? What are you insinuating?
You know, doctor.
Excuse me?
What are you insinuating?
Look, this man, when I brought this boy, the boy stayed over 12 minutes and this man refused to treat him. Now the boy is dead.
Doctor.
The young man I'm trying to resuscitate in my theater died just now, and this man is accusing me.
What are you saying? What are you saying?
What are you talking about? Eh?
It's like you go station, go rest statement. Me see Oga.
The doctor said the man is dead. So we have to go back to station and make another statement.
Yes.
To do what?
Write the statement.
Statement?
Write another statement.
What for? What am I going to the station for?
To
write statement for what? Whatever for? Excuse me, what are you talking about?
we don't need to help you.
make statements. The boy don't die. See, he don't. Look, I'm not going to any station. I don't know what you people are talking about. What do you mean I should go to the station?
Let's go to the station first now.
No, but why? What am I going to the station for? Tell me. What am I doing?
This is your friend. Let's go to the station. You just make an ordinary statement. That's all.
What do you mean police is my friend? Don't push me, my friend. What is that? I don't know this boy's name. I just helped him out, brought him here. The unfortunate thing happened, so
You didn't tell the matter I said anything down. To the station. That's all. You make ordinary statements. That's all. Gentleman,
don't push me. I'm not a criminal, okay?
Okay, let's go. Okay, now let's go. Help us to help you. That's
On a serious note, this is wrong. This is wrong. This is so wrong. I mean, what did I kill the boy? Did I do anything?
You are doing this thing like say anything damn.
Let's just go to the station. That's all.
No, you will not do your job. You just want to arrest me. What are you arresting me for now? What am I going to the station to do?
Nothing, just ordinary statements.
I'm not really finding this funny, seriously.
It's okay, gentleman, it's okay now. Let's go there now.
Fast now, fast.
Why is his phone not going through? My goodness. I hope he has not lost his phone again. This is serious. My God. Come to my office right away.
Madam, you called.
Yes, I did. Where is Mr. Morgan?
In his office now.
Okay. When you're through with the vouchers, take them to him to proofread, okay?
Okay.
All right. I am going to town. I'll be right back. Okay.
Welcome.
How are you?
Fine, so how was your day?
My day was fine, no. What will you do? Okay, if you see what Kata did to me today, I was sneezing everywhere.
You didn't go out with your drugs?
Carry my drugs in my bag.
Of course not.
Drugs. Don't say that again. Did my husband come home?
No, I've not seen him.
You've not seen him?
Yeah. Looks so weak. Hope you're okay.
I'm not fine. I'm not just fine.
You're not fine. What is it?
Okay. Everything is not fine. I'm having feelings that it's not well.
All is well. Just take it easy. Okay?
His lines are not going through.
Maybe if phones are down, you'll be fine.
Okay, don't tell me that. Don't tell me that his phones are down. Before he left this house, he charged them fully well. I'm telling you.
Just relax.
I'm
You're
sure
not
of what I'm saying.
You should know how to control your emotions.
Okay? Just chill. Everything will be fine. I don't know if he traveled. No, he can't travel without telling me. He didn't.
It's fine. Just relax your mind. Okay?
Oh no, I believe everything is okay.
Everything is fine.
Yeah, okay. Please give me water to drink.
Okay.
Mind you, a cold one.
Okay.
No, because of this, my advice. Okay, I promise. What are you watching?
So enjoy me, I'm coming back.
This.
I've been calling you, I've been disturbing you on phone because I thought he went to your house. Hey, what kind of temptation is this now?
He didn't come to my house. Huh? Have you called him on phone?
Several times.
Why didn't he call you to say his movement was changing?
His movement couldn't have changed because I sent him to represent me in a business meeting. You know, I did it on purpose because I've been grooming him to take over his late father's companies.
That's good. That's very good.
I think I have to call the commissioner of police.
No. Let's wait a while. You see, even the police cannot take report of a missing person until after 24 hours.
You mean I have to wait for 24 hours?
We have to wait. You see, I believe he will be back. Just be patient.
Oh, God.
Be patient.
Hey.
I will be going there. I'll also call Lecture to know the situation.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
Sunday, good evening.
Yeah, good evening.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
I'm happy you're here. I've been so anxious the whole of today.
Anxious? What's wrong?
Yes, I was going to visit you. Did you see my husband?
Let me see. What's left the thing?
Excuse me. Sorry.
No, I was just, I just wanted to ask you, did you try his line?
It's not been going through. I've tried. Osundu, please, is there anything I need to know?
No, not at all. I was just, actually I came, I thought I would meet him at home, but since he's not here, just tell him I came, okay? Okay? Alright, bye.
Bye.
The suspect is being detained here and we've been waiting for the family of the late young man.
Yes, we are members of the family.
Have you been to the hospital? Have they showed you the cops?
Yes, they did. They did, and I must thank you, officer, for the effort made so far.
Please. Can we see the idiots who killed my son?
Sorry, madam. But now we have protocol.
It's just to take a look. It's naturally proper for us to see him.
After due process.
Seriously, I'm not a killer. I'm not a killer. Seriously, I'm being detained here because of my kind-heartedness.
Kind-hearted what? Ness! Were you not trying to say wicked-heartedness?
No, sir, no.
Look at you.
Sir, this is what happened. Me and my friend were driving into town. Then we saw the accident scene. People were already there looking at his unconscious state. But before we could come out from our car, they all left. Maybe they thought we were security men or something.
Look at you, security man. Look at you.
Sir, seriously. I tell you this is the truth. It was the protocol and delay of the police station and the hospital that made him lose his life.
Liar! Liar!
I was told that you came here to collect police reports.
Yes. But that was because the hospital insisted on it.
People living there said you rammed your car into his own car and then he jammed his car on a wall.
Sir, it's a lie. It's a lie, sir. My car is outside. My car is outside. You can go and look at my car. If you see any dent or any blood stain, sir, you can believe these people.
Are you foolish enough to leave blood dent from your car up to this moment? Right? Are you feeling us? Hey, it's okay, it's okay. Are you feeling us? It's okay. Let's go. Hey, go and regular water. Shut up. Let's go. Hey, go and regular water. Hey, go and regular water. You're pulling children. Small boys and girls.
Yeah, I actually came back to tell you the truth.
Oh, yeah. Say it. There's no time. Say it.
You see, there was an accident early this morning. Yes, and your husband and I were driving down the road and we saw this accident victim, and you know your husband, he wanted to help.
Did he?
Of course he did. He helped the guy, and that was what got him into trouble.
Trouble? Who is giving him trouble? Come and show me, let me give them trouble. Tani.
Calm down, okay? Calm down, please. Look, we took the guy to the hospital, all right? And they told us to get a police report before they could commence treatment. And your husband went to get it, and by the time he came back, the poor guy was dead.
Jesus. Oh my God. So what happened later?
I warned your husband, right? I warned him, but he'll never listen to me. I told him, I said, look, this is not our business. Let's just go, right? But he'll never listen to me. He decided to help the guy, and they accused him of killing him, and they arrested him.
What? Oh my God. No, it's not true. No. How could they do such a thing? Oh no. Oh, which police station? Oh, somebody come and show me the place.
Central Police Station, I guess.
No, come and show me the place or something.
Wait,
come and show me where they
listen,
took my husband to. No, you can't tell me that.
Can you just listen
to me?
Calm down and listen to me. We can't go there right now. Look, it's late. Alright, we'll go there tomorrow. We can't go to the police station right now.
I just want to see him, that's all. Let me just see him. I want to see him, just to see him. Please, come and show me my husband.
We'll go there. It's alright. Just sit down.
Police station.
They arrested him.
Don't worry, you'll see him tomorrow.
Hey, Luchy, Murajo. I have plenty things to do. If I don't come now, they will say I didn't come and that I'm a bad friend. I'm here now, she's still keeping me waiting. And I don't have time. Jesus. Hey, from here now, we'll go to Kiniko police station. From police station to the market. From market. What is this boy's name again? How can I forget so soon? I'm ready.
Don't be angry. Thank God you came so early. Oka, please take care of this house, okay? We'll soon be back. Just take care of the house.
Oka, kí ló ń ṣe? You are crying? Don't worry, When I get to the station, they will release your husband. They will release him. You know me now. They will release Amy, don't worry, Stop crying.
We don't have time.
Sorry, stop crying, You people should go and bring him out, so that we can leave this place. Because this man you're talking of, I know him very well. He cannot do this kind of thing. Yes. He cannot do it.
Hey! Who made this noise here? Who made this noise?
Allow me to see my husband. I brought food for him.
Food? Who they talk about food here? That person the job? Oh, you won't give him food? What about the man with the mortuary?
When I think say when I could come here and begin to shout at me.
They ram up.
Could I begin to go? Oh yeah. Maybe when I begin to go. The person where when I look for, they look for. They got alone. Carry your food, begin to walk.
I'm not living here.
Carry your food, begin to walk.
How
could you detain and punish a man who merely took a dying man to the hospital for treatment? Is it fair?
Koda, this is practical wickedness. Because where I come from, you cannot do this type of thing and go scot.
Hey! What is the problem here? And who are these people?
These people say, I mean them say, that they look for that person who will kill person.
I'm his wife, I'm Enyoma's wife.
Yes.
I've come to see him. He did not kill anybody.
How well do you know him?
He didn't do it.
Sir, I know him very well.
Well, you people cannot see him now. We are still investigating the matter.
Iro, it's a lie. Iro, he can't do this now. He cannot do this. In fact, we did not come to see him. We want to carry him home.
On whose order? On your orders, eh? Officers, sir, take this lady out of this place.
Oh, yeah.
Guys!
Move it!
Move! Madam! Move it! If I go around there, if I go around, come move it! Come move it! Keep quiet. Hey, sit down! Come on! Alright! Come on, sit down! Sit down here! Sit down!
Oh boy, now so this Yoruba woman that told the white man, like a writer.
Anichi Odinachi, I thank you for honoring this invitation. I sent for the two of you for all of us to rub minds on the way forward, considering the situation before us. We all know the present situation.
Where is the man that killed him?
He's in police cell, and the police are waiting for us to give them the go-ahead to go to court.
Wait. What else are we still talking about? The man should be sentenced to death by hanging, since he is denying.
But it is not for us to say. It is a court judge that should determine that. That's the way it is done.
Was it that man? I shouldn't have sent you out that morning. I shouldn't have sent you out.
Why are you blaming yourself? Why? Tell me that woman who could not send her child on an errand.
Just like my name Amechi, nobody knows tomorrow. How could we have known that he will meet his death in the course of running the errand? It never happens.
We'll get to the end of this. We must.
Hey Uche, stop crying and finish your story. Tell us what happened. Stop crying, Stop crying.
When I went there, they did not allow me to see him. And I also heard that the man's family is bent on taking the matter to court tonight. And if that happens, I'm afraid they might jail my husband.
Hey!
They might jail my husband.
Nkemekwa, Hey!
My goodness.
Hey!
Hey, Punka. Ozaneme. What is happening? Yuchi, please. Please stop crying. Oh, Biko, Indugo, stop crying. Everything will be fine. Oh, everything will be fine. Oh, hey. Nine. I think you must follow her to the city. There is need for you to join her to the city. At least to see things for yourself. She's too young to carry all this by herself. She's too young. Biko.
Don't worry, Uche. We need to get a bezina. Stop crying, I will go with you. We shall go and talk to the family of the dead man. They are human beings, and they will listen to us. Don't worry, my daughter. Stop crying. Just sit down. You are husband's late parents. We are good people. Friends to all.
Yes. Exactly.
Stop crying.
My goodness. Nine. I think you go with somebody. You need to go with somebody. You need a second voice. The second voice behind you.
That's true. I will ask Elochukwu to go with me. Yes.
Elochukwu is good. He will go with me. I'm coming. Stop crying. Everything will be fine. Oh, stop crying. Oh, just believe God.
I am the divisional crime officer here, and this matter came to my table as soon as it happened. Well, I will allow you people to see him, but be rest assured that this matter is going to court. At least from what I can see in this file. So I advise you to employ the services of a lawyer.
Sir, my husband is not guilty of the crime. They're doing this because they're highly connected. But it's not fair. It's not fair at all.
Officer, can we see him now?
At least to hear from him.
You said you're his wife.
Yes, sir. I'm his wife.
For how long have you been married?
We got married last Saturday.
Okay, you push wait outside. I'll send somebody to take you to him.
Thank you so much.
Okay. Thank you.
I had come before to secure your release, but they refused. So I went to the village to bring Uncle Lelo and Uncle Lubu.
Thank you for coming, Uncle.
Thank you so much.
I didn't kill anybody. And I'll never accept what I didn't do. I heard the young man was the only child of his mother. And they are highly connected. That's why they want to put me in jail. But I tell you this, darling. Don't relent in your prayers. I know God is on the throne. And He will see me through.
It's all right, Enyama. We've heard what you said. We shall go now and see whether we can meet with the other family. We also need to hear from them. It's all right.
So what do I get for your dinner?
You know what happens?
Let's go. Come, let's go. Now give me a time, I'll go take advantage. Let's go, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
I they respect this record.
I mean, we put a bit of nervous.
Thank you, respect it.
Yes. Go now. The life first thing.
We have been too lenient with these people in this our case.
Good afternoon, everybody.
And who are you people? Can't you see that we are holding a family meeting here?
Please, can we sit down?
Can't you talk without sitting down? Huh?
Anyway, our people...
We are not here for what your people have said. What's your mission? What brought you here? And let me warn, if you have come from the family of the murderers, then begin to retrace your steps.
We interviewed him and he told us that he saw a helpless accident victim and decided to take him to the hospital. There they asked him to go to the police for extract. And when he...
So you people are still saying that he did not kill Oster?
Hey!
Eh? Whereas somebody living around there told us the truth.
A neighbor who saw everything at close range.
Since you don't want to tell us the truth, move away. Are you deaf?
Send them away!
Come on, put them out of here!
Take him away! Bring him out! Look at you, why you move? As you can see, I am moving. Leave this place. Hey!
I cannot remember ever being insulted like this before by anyone. Huh? You need to see how they were talking to us and pushing us about.
Those people are troublesome.
It's just because of their money. Huh? Ego. Akunetibu okwu. Akubudike. Wamazo. Menweriri ego. They want to jail Enyoma, not minding whether he's guilty or not.
Uncle, Daddy's angry because their only son is dead. One question they failed to ask is how he died. Oh God, I know you must surely vindicate us. I know that.
What a humiliation. It was Gaka Chineke, I was Squadamo, not many of Habamo, Supo.
I'm sorry for the humiliation.
No, don't bother, my dear. Your husband late father would pay any price to save a dying soul. Yes, that is how he was. In your husband got his soft heart from his father. Yes, don't bother. The question I want to ask is, now that they have refused to listen to us, what do we do next?
God, they're only oppressing us because of their wealth. Oh God, this is sheer wickedness. This is oppression, total oppression. Oh God. She's the one, my friend. Her name is Fumi. Fumi, these are my husband's kinsmen.
Ekulesa.
Helping me out all this while.
Look, is she the one that is going to do the errand for us?
Benny.
Is she Yoruba?
Benny, sir.
You're welcome. You have heard everything we said. We want you to talk to her woman to woman. Tell her that we are not troublemakers. Tell her so.
Sir, don't worry. I know what to say to her. I know what to tell her when I get there. You see the woman, I know her very well. My husband used to work in their company before unforeseen circumstances uprooted him from there. He was very hardworking. Very, very hardworking. He goes to work from Monday to Friday. In fact, he even does overtime. He worked so much, devoted his life to this. Josa, sir. I'm sorry. But what I'm trying to say is, if they want trouble, let us give them trouble. Because I have never seen this kind of thing before. You do good and somebody pays you back with evil. Because in my own part of the country, Jobode, where I come from, Beko, you cannot do this kind of thing and go scot-free. You cannot. You no go better for them. Me Fumi liar. Beko. I am so sorry, ma. I was not around when it happened. Ma, how are you preparing?
His family is still insisting that he's innocent. And that is the most agonizing aspect of the whole thing. But we have a strong witness against them. I'm sure they are not aware of that.
Oga. Why are they still insisting?
I don't know. Maybe it's a sign that they are ready for a court case. But it's okay. It's okay by me. I'm sure they do not know that I can afford to hire 10 lawyers.
Benny.
And we have a living witness as well.
Benny, I know that you can hire all the lawyers in this town if you want to. But try and grant them full audience so that you people can come to a compromise. Because even if you put the man in jail or you kill him, your son is gone and will not come back. Koni padawa. He won't come back. 2 wrongs they say cannot make it right.
Wait a minute. Mrs. Adeni, what are you implying?
Me more custom. I don't know your tradition, but if you can try and ask them to pay small something like a compensation, because you know.
For me, Adeni, who are you working for? Who sent you?
No, ma. Nobody sent me. I know that you are so embittered, and your heart is almost torn into shreds. You need calm and comfort. But if you think I am talking too much, can you just go? Just go.
For me, you're right. I am so heartbroken. My only child is dead. So heartbroken.
Emma Sukumo. Stop crying, ma. Kuni dafwenshu. Satan. Just be strong. Think of what the future has in store for you. Compared to what you have already lost.
Do you still need more water?
Curse the stars to fall, and the rain is looming. Now come shelter.
Just look at me. Eating in a police station. In this manner. Life is just unfair.
Baby, enough of this self-pity. Enough of this. Just eat your food before these people takes me away from here. Please.
Slow burning drops of pain, and my soul is hurting. A truckload of shame. Give me, Lord, oh give me strength to face my fear.
Please, no. What else do you want me to do? At least eat your food.
He'll be with you soon, Go see Wala. I just have a brief message for him. Very brief.
Oh, you're welcome.
Also, thank you.
Okay, so what can I offer you?
Don't worry. I don't want anything.
Well, hope there's no problem.
Your friend has been in cell since. And you have not cared to visit him even for once. Shoda, it's not fair.
So what do you want me to do? Huh? Tell me, what do you want me to do? Look, I warned Enyema from day one. I warned him, I told him that if anything comes out from this venture, I will not be part of it. But he will not listen to me. So what do you want me to do? No, wait. Just wait. You actually want me to go to the station so they will arrest me, Abi? Huh? That's what you want?
What about the wife? Eh? Have you cared to visit her even for one day? At least to comfort her. Wait. Madam, Ogini, did they send you here? Go and tell them you did not see us. Or better still, tell them that if he's in charge here.
Please, just take it easy. She's a friend to Enyoma's wife.
If she's a friend to whoever, Enyowanine. So, they sent you here to come and implicate me and my husband. You want us to go and involve ourselves in a case that has to do with a dead person. Eh? In a Choli Galapta. Get up and leave my house. True friends are known when the going is bad. When things are not working out well. You understand? Madam, are you actually ignoring me in my own house to continue talking plenty to my husband? I say get up and leave my house.
Go see Wala.
Get up. Get up and leave my house.
See Wala.
Out. Alele.
It is your house.
It is.
I will go.
Start going.
No problem.
Before we don't have a problem in my house. Start going.
But if this were to be somewhere else,
Can you get me? What will you do?
Let's leave it for another day.
Out of my house! Come on!
Osondu. Please, think about what I told you. Because he's your friend. Think about it.
Madam, get out of my house. Start going. Hey! Umi liar. Hey! Now go on. What's on? You sat here speechless and motionless while this Yoruba woman sat here and was vomiting nonsense from her mouth. You couldn't even say a thing. But if it was me, that is when you will show me your power. Hulk Hogan. Meanwhile, Yoruba woman was sitting here, rolling her eyeballs, saying shula bobo in your face. You didn't say anything. Just like you have nothing to say to me. You don't ever have opinions. You come back again. The friend you need. Friend you need.
First of all, let me say that we are sorry for all that happened. We are as confused as you are. It is not for nothing that the tongue sticks to the roof of the mouth when the eyes see strange things. The schnapps and the cola nuts on the table cannot suffice for the head of a son, an only son. But let this be our special way of apologizing traditionally for what our son committed.
Ichie, because ikbelanye denane. You see, our people say that the bad odor that trails the he-goat is in the body of the he-goat. Yes, we accept we are at fault. But what we are pleading for here is to be given a safe landing. It is better to fall into the forest than to fall into a river.
Okay. You have mesmerized us enough with your proverbs. Now let's present to you conditions for releasing Enyoma. First of all, you have to marry a wife for Oshita. The wife has to be married in her name. Do you understand? You know how such things are done. Either you bring a girl who is pregnant already or a girl who has such a prospect. Do you understand? Then you have to offset burial bills.
Our ears are open.
A burial bill will include a befitting coffin.
Is there any other thing?
Other things will be hospital and mortuary bills, a cash of 250,000 naira. Yes. These were all we decided in a family meeting we held on this issue.
Please, is there any way this money can be cut down?
Hey.
Because Enyoma is a lone cock growing in the wilderness. His parents are no more. We are just his kinsmen interceding.
And he just got married. And
What was that? No. What was that? Was my son not an only son growing in the wilderness too? You people will not like me if I lose my temper here. Any more of those, that your stupid excuse, I will lose my temper and you will not like what I'll do here.
Are you people ready to meet these conditions? Or do we go to court?
Please. We shall go back to Enyoma's house and discuss.
We will bring you a feedback in less than 4 days' time.
You better do it fast. Do it fast because delay will be dangerous.
We will. We will be on our way now.
Where are you going? Where are you going?
Since when?
Since when what? I asked. Where are you going to?
I said, since when did you become my ADC? Huh?
I want to believe you're not going to Enyoma's house.
Huh. And if I'm going there, what's wrong with that?
Did you just ask me that? If you go to Enyoma's house, I will personally go to public places and deny you. Yes, Muabifi, I'll disown you. Can I bet here? No, let us bet, I'll do it.
Well, I don't need to bet with you. You know why? Because I know you. And I already know what you're made of. I mean, see the way Enyoma's wife has been standing by him through all his problems. If you were the one, you would have abandoned me, right? You would leave me. You think I don't know?
Wait though. So, all of a sudden, Eyuche, Enyoma's wife, is now my comparison. As what now? Onto waiting. Okay. Oh, okay. It's beginning to make sense. You have started something with her. Come, let's hear it now. Huh? Am I about to have Nyedi?
Will you shut up there? You're very stupid.
So you're still going? You want to go? It's... I'll wait for you.
All the hospital bills, mortuary, an expensive coffin, 250,000 naira, and the most confusing one, to marry a pregnant girl for them, one expected to give them a son to replace Osita.
Oh, my head is carrying too much. I can't bear this anymore. I'm so confused.
Hey,
I'm so confused. Where do we start from? And I can't support my husband to take another woman for someone, for whatsoever reason. Please, let's think over this issue.
Do you want us to back out?
No, I don't want to. It's just that, okay, what if he marries another woman?
If he marries another woman, it does not mean that he is marrying a second wife. That woman will be given to them for their son.
Hey, Jesus.
I'm not saying that your husband committed a crime. But what I'm saying is that we have to pacify them to bring out your husband from police detention. Or do you want him to remain there and develop diseases?
No.
I think what you need to do is to make arrangement for 250,000 naira. That is where we can start from. Yes.
Hey. Okay, do you know the worst part of this matter? Is that people think Enyoma has money. Enyoma does not have money. He doesn't. He's just a hard-working young man trying to survive. He doesn't have money.
We are not saying that your husband has money. But just try and write out a check of 250,000 naira. We send it to the police station for him to sign. Then we proceed with it to the place. You know where he keeps his checkbooklets, don't you?
I know this will be too hard for you, but we must do it. Unless you don't want us to continue, we are way back out.
No, I don't want it. I need you people.
Anyway, my dear,
That's just what you have to do. Eh?
Since they don't want to come, I think we have to take this case to court.
I don't know why they should come here to deceive us. Eh?
Maybe they are having some misunderstandings amongst themselves. Who knows?
Do we send them a message?
What for? We need to be very careful not to sound apologetic on this case. My only son is gone, and they want to toy with me? No way. Since they do not want settlement, I am taking this case to court.
Oh. No. No. What about that thing I told you some time ago? You've not been able to give me a straightforward response. It's been 2 years since you lost your husband. Eh?
Meche, you have come again with this, your marriage proposal. I don't want to marry again. I don't want to remarry. Marriage has dealt a hard blow on me. I don't want it anymore.
But as your late husband's brother, I can marry you. I can marry you.
Is that why you're helping me in this case?
No. Far from it. No.
Meche, I don't want to marry you. Not because you're a bad person, no. But I don't know. I cannot tell.
You see it. You have no reason to reject my proposal. You see, there's no basis for your rejection. Eh?
Meche, please, just forget about this marriage issue for now. As you can see, I am still mourning my son. Please. Excuse me.
I wonder who is the man in her life. If she marries out, all my late brother's money and companies will go to the family of her new husband. And that means we will lose a fortune. Grace, I must marry you.
He cannot do anything or drop anything to implicate me. I know exactly what he wants. I mean, I know he wants me. Just that. You know that's what he wants. He lost it. Know me.
You see, if that is what you must do, so that your husband can come out of the cell, there's nothing there. I will advise you give it to him.
Fumi, what did you just say? What did I hear you say? Jesus Christ, I can't believe this. Fumi, you mean I should go ahead and sleep with that man? Is that what you're advising me to do? Do you know one thing? If not for our long-term friendship, do you know what I would have done?
What?
I would have asked you out of my house this minute. Because I can't believe you. I'm so disappointed at you.
You don't need to walk me out of your house before I know I should go. You should have told me this is what you wanted to say. I don't need to leave the house now before you see. How many of your friends still come here to look for you? How many? Count, let me hear. How many?
Please wait. Fumi, wait. No, don't go. Please, I'm sorry. I'm begging.
Talk now, talk.
Fumi, no, I can't compromise my integrity for anything. Please, I'm sorry. Please.
Integrity. That is the only thing I get to hear. This holier than thou attitude was what landed your husband in the prison. The cell that he is right now. Here you are, integrity. You won't do something to bring your husband out of the police cell. Hey, Joe, come and see me off, Joe.
Integrity woman.
Why are you behaving this way now? It's not fair. Why are you behaving this way? It's not fair. For me.
Be strong, my brother. Just remember that whatever you are passing through now is for a purpose and to the glory of God. Remember Job in the Bible. Remember Joseph, Daniel, David, Meshach, Shadrach, and Abednego. God allowed these men to go through such difficult time just to prove them and prepare them with greater things ahead of them. I know that very soon you are going to come out from this place. Amen. Just be strong. It is well. Let us pray. Our Father, we thank you because of today. I bring your son, Brother Enioma, before your throne. I know there's a purpose where you are lying.
Madam, I better do fast too.
Take it easy now.
I'm able.
Customer.
I better take Jerry.
Thank you.
Drink water.
Water.
This biscuit is too dry.
You have money. Take it.
Hello, darling. How is business today?
Welcome.
Thank you.
Who showed you my shop?
Hey, Luchy, let me quickly run along.
Why now?
I will see. Business, marry you later. We'll see you later.
Hi! Hey, Luchy. Mama, I get whatever information I want into. I also know that you have a problem. And I have come to help you out.
So how?
You see, I have the powers to influence the powers that be in the case. And they will simply strike it off. Hi!
So, on what basis?
Luchy, on the basis that I love you. You see, forget about all the problems that you have been through. Forget about. Once I come into your life, I will transform you and you will become the toast of this town. I can wait. I know you are worried about your husband. You see, but your husband will simply be a husband. Yes.
So my husband will just be there, acting as a husband. While you, pot-bellied old fool, will be here, operating as a serviceman.
Okay.
It's time to leave my shop.
Luchy, you see, you and I are alone here. We can actually start something.
Are you deaf? I said leave my shop this minute. Senseless old fool. You're a disgrace to marriage, if you must know. I pity your wife. Now get out of my shop. Are you still here? Wait for me.
Luchy, you will look for me in this town.
Let me find you.
You will look for me.
Look at you. Foolish man. Illiterate. Dunce.
I don't understand what you're saying. I don't understand. He came into the shop, we were there together. And I simply took my leave. Especially when he started calling you that, that thing.
Look at you. For me, look at yourself. Listen for me. That you're older than me doesn't mean I'm still a kid. See, from all indication, you're working for Chief Okazi. Okay, the other day you made mention of me having a boyfriend, and that was exactly where he started disturbing me. And today again, he came to the shop, and you smartly paved way for him to start talking nonsense into my ears. For me, Stop arranging men for me. Did you get?
Echo, Abinu. I won't say it again. You want to help somebody, it's problem. You don't help, problem.
Suit number A/3C/2010 between the state and Mr. Enyoma Ibe. My lord, the accused is present.
Representation.
My lord, I am Mobolaji Oshon, Esquire, representing the state.
Any representation for the accused?
I don't have a lawyer, my lord. Why would I get a lawyer when I know God is my lawyer?
At this instant, I adjourn the case to the 20th of this month to enable the accused person get himself a defense counsel. The court might now rise.
So, Mecha, you're in your office.
No, how are you? You're welcome. What can I do for you?
You were not in court today.
Sorry, I was during a meeting and members came from far places.
Meche, your brother's only son died in an accident. And today was the first hearing on the case. You could not find time to come just because I refused your advances.
No.
Right?
Try to understand me. I was chairing this important meeting. I said members came from far places.
Anyway, I just came to inform you that the case has been adjourned till the 20th of next month. Have a nice day.
People should learn how to carry their own cross. You have all the money at your disposal. You want to eat alone, so carry your cross.
Sandra, what happened? You didn't eat your food.
Nothing happened.
No, something happened. Because that food has been there for some minutes now. It's getting cold. You're not even making any move like someone who's going to eat it.
Well, if it's getting cold, you go ahead and eat it.
Men. I don't understand men. I don't understand you. I cook now, you don't want to eat. But if I didn't cook now, it would be that if he's a bad wife. Osando, I made that food for you. I put in so much energy into that food. And now you're not eating it. It's not fair if you don't eat it. Please, you have to eat it. It's not fair. Say, watch that. Eat it. Let it be your food. You think I'll kill myself?
So how was the court session today? Oh, the case was adjourned? Okay. All right, yeah, I just called to find out how it went. Oh, no, you know my hands are tied. Look, I'm scared. I may decide to come there right now and your husband will see me and, call me as a witness and they rope me in and... we're at the hospital together. Hello? Oh, this is bad network.
No, waiting.
Network?
Which network? Call her again. Go now. Osondo, you think you're smart? You saw me walk in and you caught the phone. You think you're smart? You might not him too much. Eh? Because I caught you today. Red-handed. I caught you talking to one of your girlfriends.
Talking to who?
One of your numerous girlfriends. You heard me.
You shut up. Every time you just be talking anyhow.
One thing I know is that one day, you see my hand, one day, your sins will find you out. Wait. Is it because of this girl you called now that you've been so moody lately? Huh? She's the reason you've been behaving like a lost puppy. Okwaya? Hey, tell me. Is it that the present you promised her, you're here to fulfill it?
I'm not even wasting my time.
Look, if you like, walk away. I've got you today, and that's how I'll start putting my eye on the ground for you. I know your tricks. I've found out. And let me tell you something. I know you can hear me from that room. If you go to any girl's house and eat poison and die, people should not blame you because everybody knows I am a good wife. They know my story. They know I'm very good. Nonsense. Womanizer. Osondo Mwan.
Barrister, now that he didn't go to court with a lawyer, what are we going to do? Listen, I want him jailed. I don't care how you do it. Whatever machinery you have to pull, go ahead, pull all the strings. But I want him jailed. Call it bribery, whatever, I don't care. Let him go in for it.
Pastor, I don't know what else to do. I've spoken to my husband several times, but he wouldn't listen to me. He's only bent on his decision. Whenever he takes a decision, he makes sure he stands on it. He refuses to heed to other people's advice. That is not a way of living at all.
My sister, you don't have to blame him. A man with clear conscience can go to the extreme.
Pastor. We still need to get a lawyer. Abi Beko?
I think so, you're right.
A lawyer? Oh, I don't know. I've spent every penny I have on this matter. I don't have money again in this house.
I know, don't worry yourself. The state can give us a lawyer in a situation like this. The Legal Aid Council can see to it.
So, I'm not comfortable with that at all. I'm not. I'm already biased.
Listen to me, my dear. You have to be strong in faith. Many are the afflictions of the righteous, but the Lord delivereth him from them all.
Amen.
The night endureth with weeping, but the morning is coming with joy. I know that your husband will come out victoriously.
Amen.
So don't worry yourself. I'll go and see him.
Eshe, sir. Eshe. Eshe, Papa. Eshe, sir. Eshe, Pastor.
Great assistance. Thank you, Pastor.
Osondo, I want you to walk with me here. Let's reason together. There is no way you go to that court of law and come back. Yes, because they will find a way to rope you in. Considering that it was you and Enyoma that took Osita to the hospital when he was unconscious. Stay at home, oh.
Look, my conscience wouldn't let me. I mean, my best friend is out there suffering and I'm here not doing anything. Look, I just have to go.
You're not going anywhere.
My friend, get out of my way.
I'm not allowing you to go anywhere. No, stay here. Wait. Has it not occurred to you that when Enyoma ends up in jail, as his witness, you'll be there by his side? And you will not make me a widow. No,
Look, nobody's going to make you a widow. Just get out of the way.
You are planning to make me a widow. I say you're not going anywhere.
What is wrong with you?
I refuse.
I refuse. You're not going there. Except if you have to kill me before you go. That's the good thing. Yes, go in. Go in. Nonsense. So you've actually allowed you to pass through this door. Let me make sure you're not following the back door.
Giving all evidence on ground against the accused, in addition to the fact that he has no mortal witness, it is obvious that the accused is ducking behind the person of God to buy cheap sympathy from this honorable court. Be that as it may, legality and morality are not the same anywhere in the world. On this ground, the accused person, Mr. Enyoma Ibe, is hereby sentenced to 5 years imprisonment. This is my judgment. Case closed.
In my heart is raining slow burning drops of pain, and my soul is hurting a truckload of shame. Give me, Lord, oh give me strength to face my fears. Give me, Lord, oh give me, give back my happiness. Save me, Jehovah, save my wretchedness. Save me, Jehovah, from this evil world. Save me, Jehovah, from this. Oh, the sky is burning, curse the stars to fall, and the rain is looming. Lord, come shelter me. Don't you pass me over, take away my pains. Don't you pass me over, Lord, come set me free. In my heart is raining slow burning drops of pain, and my soul is hurting a truckload of shame. Give me, Lord, oh give me strength to face my fears. Give me, Lord, oh give me, give back my happiness. Save me, Jehovah, save my wretchedness. Save me, Jehovah, from this evil world. Save me, Jehovah, from this loneliness. Save me, Jehovah, from this wicked evil world. stars to fall and the rain is looming, Lord, come shelter me. Don't you pass me over, take away my pains. Don't you pass me over, Lord, come set me free. In my heart is raining slow burning drops of pain, and my soul is hurting a truckload of shame. Give me, Lord, oh give me strength to face my fears. Give me, Lord, oh give me, give back my happiness. Save me, Jehovah, save my wretchedness. Save me.
Hey, Che, welcome.
Thank you, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, hey, Che.
Yes, sir.
How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
You need to go quick.
No. I don't need it.
Then let's move inside.
Uncle, I don't have time. I will soon be going, okay? I was about leaving when you came, so let's just stand here and talk. So, Uncle, I came to settle an issue with you. Actually, I heard that my husband's only plot of land was being encroached into, so I came to find out from you. Yes, because I went there and I saw some people building houses on it. So I went to the owner, the person who bought it, and he asked me to come and find out from you what happened. He said, okay, he told me that you sold the land to him. So, Uncle, did you sell my husband's land to anybody?
Nine. Guinea. Did you? Please shut up your mouth. Must you know everything?
Evichen, that land does not actually belong to your husband.
Well, Uncle, my husband introduced me to every member of this family and almost everything that belongs to the family. So you can't tell me that that land does not belong to my husband.
Evichen, you of yesterday, you are reading history of my family for me. Go ahead, but let me tell you. Your husband's late father took that land from me because the land was given to me by our father. He took it away from me because he's the eldest. And while I was busy agitating to have my land, the next thing I heard was that he gave it to his eldest son, Enyoma. That is it.
Nine. I've never heard this version of the story.
Will you keep quiet, this woman? Must you hear everything? Take your time.
Do you know, Uncle, one thing about lies is that whenever an adult lies, his face resembles that of a child. Uncle, I will not ask you to desist from your act.
Ericha, I'm a titled man. You are insulting me. Let me tell you, you are going to face the kinsmen tomorrow.
Uncle, you know, barely 4 months since my husband, your nephew, went to prison. You hurriedly sold his land to land developers. Uncle, do you know that that was an act of wickedness? Do you know? Anyway, I've not come here to quarrel or make problems with you. I only came to confirm what I heard, and it's true. But Uncle, as I'm leaving you with this message, that whatsoever a man sows, that he shall reap. Take note of that.
Further insult. Let me tell you, you must face the kinsmen tomorrow. You must face the kinsmen tomorrow.
Everything will be fine. God is up there. I know He's watching everything. Your husband will be fine. And he will come out.
Mama, but what he did was very wrong. What he did was very wrong. Anyway, there is no problem. My husband will surely come out.
Yes,
of
he
course,
will.
he will still come out.
He will.
What he did was very wrong.
Hey, Uche. This one you're carrying bags. Are you traveling?
Yes, Mama.
I was going to visit you. Hey, you see, my daughter, I just want to wash off my hands. I am not in support of any sale of land. If not that you visited the other day to confront my husband, I wouldn't have known.
As for me, Mama, I'm not interested in quarreling over plots of land with anybody at all. You know, all I wanted is for people to know that an act of wickedness is going on in this village. Oh. And also to know that the perpetrator is your husband.
Hey, hello. My daughter, you see, you're my kind of person. Speak and let them hear. People,
Anyway, I went to visit my husband the other day in the cell and he told me not to quarrel with anybody over issues like this. Told me not to quarrel with anybody. I should just stay calm. That is what I'm doing.
Don't worry, my daughter. Don't worry. Everything will be fine. All I want you to know is that Akamu, Obamo, Adiria, I am not a party to any sale of land. I'm not in support.
Thank you, Mama. Thank you very much. Mama, I'll be going now, okay?
Thank you very much.
Let me meet up.
Just take care of yourself.
Thank you.
Take care.
God bless you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Interesting.
Hey, why are you shouting like this? What's wrong?
Where is your wife?
My wife? My wife, she went out. Yeah, she went to see her sister. What's the problem?
Yeah. Hey, was that what she told you? That she went to see her sister?
Yeah?
Yeah. Joe, come, let me take you to where her sister is.
Take me to where my wife... I just told you my wife went to see her sister. What do you mean?
Okay. There's no problem, but come, let me take you there so that you will see your wife in action. Nisi. Hey!
My wife in action?
Let us go. Don't worry. Hey.
All right, let me just close this.
Come and open the door for me.
No, we won't be going in my car. It's faulty.
I wonder why you have not changed this car till now. This Tokumbo, you should buy better car.
You have a car. Oh,
I better go, Joe. Let me show you what I want to show you. I have not seen this one. I have not.
Listen, by the time I'm through with you, you would see a new you.
Hey!
I believe you.
Ifoma, what is your problem, young man?
Get out of the way! This is my little brother's house. Get out!
You cannot enter here now. You think I'm afraid of your size? Get out, please. Don't involve yourself. This is family matter. Please.
Madam is not home. And who do you think you want to go in there and see?
What are you talking about? I can go in there and take some cold water. It's my little brother's house. Superior!
Oh, fall this man down.
Sharp, sharp. Carry this man. Carry this man.
You have to calm down, okay? Please, just calm down. I mean, what has happened has happened. Getting angry forever is not going to solve this problem, and you know it. Well, I think also he has a point.
What points does he have? No, tell me, what point does he have? You're with a friend, he gets accused of murder, you run away, he gets jailed for 22 months in jail you never visited, 22 months you never visited his wife, and yet he sits here and calls himself a best friend.
Enyoma, you know the way people talk. I mean, if I had visited your wife, people will start saying that I was dating my friend's wife while he was in prison.
Osondo.
It's not as easy as you think.
Oh, I see.
No, what are you saying? Mike, what are you talking about? What are you saying? Why didn't he come to court to be my witness? Tell me. Because he knows everything. He knows I was accused wrongly. He knows I didn't kill anybody. This man here knows...
Hey, Yoma, please. Just take it easy. Calm down, okay? Take it easy. Man, you're a man, okay? Just take it easy. I mean, what has happened has happened. Find a place in your heart to forgive and forget. Please. All right? You and Osondo can still be friends again. If for nothing to show the enemy that they can't succeed in your life, please, just let it go. Please. Please, bro.
All I'll tell you is this. Every day comes with a lesson. Osondo. Each day comes with a lesson. I forgive you.
Man, thanks, man. So, I'm delighted. So why don't you guys shake hands? Man, you guys should shake hands just like old times, man. Bro, man, do it. Come on. Whoa, man. I can see. It's good. So why don't you just toast to this reunion, okay? Waiter, please. We have to toast to this reunion. This is great, man. You're cool. Thanks, man. Thanks. Waiter! Champagne, please. Get us some champagne, please.
What are you doing?
Honey.
Yes, baby.
You've not said anything about our discussion this morning.
What did we discuss? Remind me.
My business, of course. I told you I need to rent a new shop. And I need you to stock it up for me. You know, I lost the other one because I couldn't pay for it.
Okay. You know what? Why don't you just go cost everything and remind me later, huh? Yes, baby.
Okay. And one more thing.
Baby, what is it now? Come on, you know a man and soccer. You know your husband and soccer. Come on, baby.
First of all now.
Yes, baby. Come on.
I lost my period.
Hey, listen.
And I think I'm pregnant.
Darling, look. This is our country playing, okay? Look, I'm not in the mood for jokes, please. You better not be joking
I know,
like
and I'm not joking. This is for real.
that. Okay, pregnant.
I'm pregnant.
You're really pregnant?
Yes, I am. I'm pregnant.
Come here. Are you serious? You're pregnant?
I'm serious.
Baby,
I'm
come,
pregnant.
sit down. First thing tomorrow, okay? We'll go to the hospital. We'll run a test, okay? I just thank God he's broken this pregnant. You're pregnant.
So happy.
Are you serious? Like I'm going to be a dad?
Yes, of course.
Madam, you're recovering very fast. I thank God the bullet did not hit you on a vital area.
Thank God.
Excuse me, madam.
So this is true. Did you say Meche did this to you? What kind of madness was that? Huh? How do you feel now?
Better.
And where is he?
He is in detention at the police station.
That serves him right. Ndonna.
Please, I want to lie down.
Easy. Ndonna. Ah. Meche.
You stopped me from...
Let's step out, let me check.
And what was that?
Belongs to Osita. Remember the dead guy? The accident victim?
So you mean this has been in my car all the time I was in prison?
No, obviously. Yeah, it actually skipped my mind. Remember that day when we helped him? You know, the day that thing happened? Yeah, he was muttering some words. I think he talked about this. So I went back to his car and I picked it up, but you know, in that confused state, I just put it under the seat and I just forgot.
Well, his documents could be in there. We just have to return this back to his mother.
What? Return it to who?
The mother.
The same woman that jailed you for doing nothing. Huh?
Listen, come on, man. Look, it's his bag. That's his mother, okay?
Look, you took that guy to the hospital and the mom jailed you, all right? So what do you think will happen if you take this to her? Besides, I think we should just open it and see what's in it. What do you think?
All right.
I don't think it will hurt if we just find out what's in it.
I told him I was going to give his mother this bag with the money in it, since her son Osita is late now.
So how much is it?
$300,000.
Honey, have I ever insulted you before?
No.
Have I ever opened this my mouth to tell you nonsense?
No.
Well, if you take this money out of this house, I will curse you. Yes, I know I'm a Christian, but I will tell you unimaginable things if you behave like a baby in this matter.
Luchy, you can change because of money? Oh God, now I know money has a spirit. It can possess even the holiest of men. Luchy, come on.
Wait, just hold on. So you mean if I leave you, you take this money back to the same people who imprisoned you because of an offense you did not commit? Huh?
Come on.
Well, try it and you will see the other side of it.
You know what I'll say to this? Look, I'm so surprised that you of all people can change because of money. You know, money is not only the root of all evils, it's the branch, it's the trunk, it's even the leaf. What is money, Luchy? Come on.
I've told him my mind and I mean it. If Enyoma, your friend, falls into trouble again, I'll have no other option but to leave him.
Leave him?
Yes.
Leave your husband? Nah, that's not fair. You wouldn't do that. You see, Enyoma is a very good friend, right? And I know him so well, he will never change. I've told him a couple of times that kindness doesn't work anymore. It doesn't work in this country, it doesn't work outside this country, but he'll never listen to me. Anyway, I've given him the money, so let him do anything he wants with it.
But, come on, Sunday.
Yeah?
How come you never told me about the portfolio all this while?
Oh, well, I don't know. I guess I forgot. Yeah, maybe it just skipped my mind. I actually remembered after I made up with Enyoma.
I don't know what to do now. What do I do?
Well, if you ask me, I would say you go home and take it easy with your husband. Yes, your husband is a very strict person morally, so you need to take it easy with him. Besides, he needs you right now.
Okay. Oh, thank you, Sunday. Thank you. I have got to be on my way now.
Okay. All right, let me see you off then.
Okay.
All right.
Oh, the sky is burning. Curse the stars to fall. And the rain is looming. Lord, come shelter me. Don't you pass me over. Take away my pains. Don't you pass me over. Lord, come set me free. In my heart is raining slow burning drops of pain, and my soul is hurt.
Adaman,
Sir?
we know how greedy and stupid nature can be. But we cannot throw away an infant child with the bad water. Please. Please, again. Adoma. Those policemen know you very well. If you can authorize, they will release you on one ground.
On what ground, sir? You want me to authorize the release of a man who came here to kill me? No. No way.
Please. When I went to the station, he told me that your boys tried to kill him. And that is why he went for his gun.
Oh, Meche is such a pathetic liar. Okay, Nine. Why would he come to my house with a gun in the first place?
Yes, that's your point.
Meche is just angry because I have refused to marry him. That's all.
You don't mean it?
That was why he started asking for the money that was lost when my son had the accident.
Oh, please, sorry for all that. What do we do now?
Please, Manyama, please. We shall not allow him to die in police detention. Because he's still your late husband's brother.
Ada de Orema. Ugo nwai. Omobidia. Biko. Let him be released so that his blood will not be on your head.
No, but he didn't think of that when he came here to shoot me.
Please, he said it was accidental discharge. Please.
Hey. Oh, Meche. That man is a liar. You don't know how wicked that your kingsman is. I can tell better. Just let him be there for...
Check your properties. Is it complete?
They are complete.
If you like next time, carry gun, go fight woman. If you try it again, like kiri, you go end up.
Luchy, please, I thank you very much for coming to bail me.
Major, I don't know what to tell you yet. You are as useless as overnight fufu. In fact, overnight fufu is even more useful than you are. Uluku.
Fair. What is it? You came here to sympathize with me. What? It's not a case of Tofiakwa. No. It's not proper, please.
Major, as old as you are still doing childish things. You thought you could marry your late brother's wife by force?
Which by force? I followed due process.
What of the money you were forcing her to provide? Is it your own? Why do you believe in using force to achieve everything?
Please, where is Grace? Was she in the hospital? No, I thought you said my wife went to Grace's house to bring the car.
Yes, maybe she drove out in the car.
Okay. It's nothing new. A woman can be so busy somewhere, choosing a new hairstyle, while her husband is in a police station. Call her on phone.
Hello? Where are you? I came back from the police. That I can go to hell?
Did she say you can go to hell
and burn to ashes?
Who? Why should you go to hell and burn to ashes? What is wrong with that woman?
Just hold on.
Stand well. He is very fond of his gun. He may decide to come out with it.
The police have taken the gun. Which woman can tolerate such a crime?
Look at the note she dropped. Just look at it. Where has she gone with my children?
I cannot take it anymore. I'm gone for good. Anytime you are back, do not bother looking for me because you will never see me again. Very sure you are rich.
She took all the money I left in the house. Where has she gone with my children?
You see what you got to yourself? You see what you got to yourself?
Will I be the one to start looking for a runaway wife?
Who is doing this to me?
I've done my best.
Who?
Who is doing this to me? Hey!
You are doing this thing to yourself. You are doing it to yourself. Right.
By the time we took him to his house, his wife had run away with the children, leaving a well-deserved farewell note.
Serves him right.
I'm sure you're all right now. If Meche start disturbing you again, don't hesitate to let me know.
I've banned him from coming to this house. Anytime he's seen here, it's his corpse that they will take away.
So, by this time tomorrow, we should be in the village.
Sure.
Okay.
One more thing. You should try as much as possible to keep the name of your late husband running. You are an adult, and you know what I mean.
Are you talking about remarrying?
Even if it's not exactly that.
You see, you can obtain a baby from someone and keep him in your house to maintain your husband's name.
Obtain? You people are talking as if it's a certificate I'm going to obtain. Even if it's a certificate, one has to read before obtaining it.
Mm-hmm. Anyhow you want it. All I know is that you are a beautiful woman. Mm-hmm. And there are many young men outside who can do it. Eh? I'm not laughing, no. You stop laughing, please.
Okay. I've heard you people. Whenever I am ready to remarry, I will let you know.
This man, Shebi, I tell you not to come here again.
Look, my brother, I don't want trouble, please. All I just want to do is see Madam Grace and deliver a message to her, that's all.
Which madam?
Madam Grace, come on.
You? What? What is going on?
What's the meaning of this?
Shut up!
Yes, hello. Yeah, each on the line. Yes. Which police station is that though? Okay. I will be there. Yeah, thank you. What have I done to you? What have I done to you? Why do you want to kill me in this house? I told him I want him not to go. Oh God, please help me. You have to save me.
Your BP shot up. What were you thinking?
After that gunshot, anything she saw frightened her. At the slightest provocation, she would start shouting and shaking.
I see. Madam, you should learn how to hold your emotions. And the truth is that you are now fragile. Do you still take your drugs?
Yes, I do.
Good. So all you need to do is to take some rest and avoid any form of incitement. Okay?
Adan, what did I hear? That our enemies attacked you?
What is he doing here? Who opened the gate for him? Let this man to go!
Take this man out from here. Take him out of here.
Just get out!
Oh, yeah, move. Take him out.
It's okay. You don't need to shout. Calm down. Calm down, just relax. Relax. Just relax yourself.
Mother, I'm sorry.
You don't have to shout.
How did you expect me to sit back there praying? I quickly took that decision to start coming. You know what happened the other time? I would not like it to happen again. I was unable to come then because of my illness. You know how it happened. My son, learn to shade off those things you used to do before. If they don't fetch you any pay, you are now a full-grown man with a wife.
Mama, so your daughter went running to you, acting as if there was a serious problem here.
Hey. So going to police station to smell iron again is not a serious problem to you? I don't want anything to happen to my daughter. I don't know your plans.
Oh, Mama, it's okay. We shall talk about that later, okay? It's okay.
Yes, what are you doing here? I mean, how did you gain access into this place? Because I do recognize you. You're one of Madame Grace's employees, right? So how may I help you? Tell me.
Actually,
how did you get in here, first of all?
I checked downstairs. I didn't see anybody. I now decided to come upstairs.
So how may I help you?
Okay. The fact is that my madam said I should come and apologize on her behalf.
Sorry indeed.
The other day, you and your friend were embarrassed in her office. She said you should please give us a date when she will come for a discussion.
So what kind of discussion is that?
Madam, she now understands that your husband really meant no harm, especially regarding the missing money.
So she now wants to visit me because of money, isn't it?
No, not because of the money, but the torment she made you go through. She says she is very, very sorry.
Well, Mr. Man, I think you should start going, okay? We'll think about that later.
You know, I do recall very, very well. You were one of those people chasing me out of that compound. Am I wrong?
No, you are never wrong. But I'm sorry too. I was just obeying orders. I'm sorry.
Well, you have to leave.
Sadly.
Just like that?
Yes, just like that.
Okay. Good night, sir. Madam, good night.
Well, the truth is that she wants to see me because of the money.
No.
Now, no. Seriously, now I need I'm not really comfortable with him knowing this place, okay? So I need everybody to be very security vigilant. Please, lock all the doors at all times. Please, please. Do you know that woman actually sent somebody to come get the money stylishly from me?
Really?
Of course.
They also sent someone here to apologize. So, what do we do now? Wait. You're starting to sound like you don't want to give them the money again.
Excuse me. To prove a point, I'm going to give the woman her money. That's why I came here to discuss this with you. When do we go?
We?
Yes.
Me and you?
Of course.
Ha. Yeah, I'm not going. I'm not going.
What is this? Are you afraid?
Yes, I'm afraid. Well, what's your problem? Every time you be taking me to places of trouble. Huh? I'm not going. I just told you I'm not going. I've given you the money. Do anything you want to do with it.
Well, if you say you're not going, I am going to that woman's house to give her the money.
You want to go to her house?
Of course.
Enyoma, what's wrong with you now? Huh? Can't you ever stay out of trouble? She's already looking for you. Wait for her to come to your place, then you give her the money.
I think I hate your advice.
I won't be part of it though, I've told you.
Hey, babe.
So, what happened?
Yes, thank you. Yeah.
So, did you see her?
Well, they wouldn't allow me to see her as usual.
Who?
Her boys, of course.
So, well, if you ask me, I would say you should go and invest that money. Because I don't see why God should be offering you money and a platter of gold and you're rejecting it.
Are you listening to yourself? Well, I am going to see that woman, so that means I have to go there again.
What did I hear you say?
No, you heard me.
What did you just say? Oh my God. Look, Inyoma, whoever that did this to you will know no peace in his life. My God in heaven will never allow that person to go scot-free.
Are you truly listening to yourself? No, seriously, are you truly listening to yourself? Do you know what you're asking me to do? Whatever happened to your morals?
Now let me ask you something. Ever since you came out of prison, have you bothered to go and see that your uncle who sold your land without your consent? Have you ever done that? Or didn't I tell you that he sold your land? Or didn't I? Sorry for you. Sorry.
Madam.
Yes, doctor.
The result of the test shows that she is 7 weeks pregnant.
Pick your things and move. Move away from my house. Pick your things now or heavenly thunder will kill you. Get out. Give me. Move. I said move. Move away. Don't touch me. Come on, leave me alone. Please, Auntie. Let me. Please, now. Please, Auntie. Get away from my house. I said move. I don't have anywhere to go to, please, Auntie. My mom is in labor. She cannot take care of me and my younger ones, please. So I am the one that should take care of a pregnant woman. Move away from my house. Get out. Move your things and leave. I said leave. Sorry for everything that happened in the past. I'm so sorry.
It's okay, ma. I know it wasn't your fault. It's okay. It's okay.
Thank you. Anyway.
Yes, ma'am.
Do me a favor. Please stay with us. Stay here with us. I need you. And your son needs you. Please. I cannot take care of him all by myself. I need you. I need you to help me. Please.
Please.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. Whenever you see any man you love, you can marry him. I just want you to be a daughter to me. Please. Thank you. Thank you so much. What is his name?
His name is Good Luck.
Good luck. I pray one day he becomes the president of this country. Thank you. Thank you.
Give me, Lord, oh give me strength to face
So, no problem, man. Just take care of you, okay?
It's well, yeah. It's well. Bye-bye. Oh, hey.
Save my wretchedness. Save me, Jehovah, from this evil world. Save me, Jehovah.
Thank you.
Take your drugs,
From
okay?
this lonely
Very gently, oh.
Well.
Save me, Jehovah, from this wicked evil world.
Hello. Hello, Chukuna Panuna. Hello. Hello.
Hey, okay.
Hello, Bekino.
Oh, hey, oh. This one you are running and panting like an antelope. Is anything the matter?
Hey, Fomo.
What is it?
Hello. Enyoma.
Enyoma, is he dead?
Enyoma is out of prison.
Hey.
My brother's son is even shining. See him so refreshed. Hey, I couldn't stand him and I ran away from my house.
Where did you see him? I thought they said that he was sentenced to life imprisonment.
He is back. I saw him. He's in my house with the wife in a very big car.
So what do we do now that we have sold the part of land that belongs to him?
Hello, you see an Achamoko. That's why I came here. It's not a very small matter. It's a very big matter. It's a big case.
Hi. Nah. My head is rioting.
Hello, think oh.
Don't worry. We have generated a lie. We have to maintain it. Yes, that is the only thing we can do now. You know, there is a way you will maintain a lie. After some time, it will look like the truth. That is what we are going to do.
Hello, Isia. It's not true. Isia, I don't even have any moral justification to face this boy. I can't face him. No courage. Where do I go from here, hello?
You know what? I will think about this. We must come out with a solution, and fast.
Before then, get me a cup of water, please, and taste it.
Hey!
Oh, yes, Kwamula. Hey! Almost Diego.
Nine. Why are you looking around?
A car came here today. I can see the marks of the tires everywhere.
Nani, Inyoma and the wife were here. He's out of prison.
Oh, why are you telling me all these things? You want me to start dancing because Inyoma is out of prison?
Oh. Nai, why are you sounding like this? Huh. I just told you that Inyoma and the wife were here and you are shouting. Oh, if you must know, they've gone to the family house.
I will go and see them later now. Is there any other thing?
Nai, you need to see him. Hey! He has added so much flesh. Hey! Chineke!
If he likes, let him add pot belly or a degree pump. It doesn't concern me. That's why you are doing like this. And you must add weight. If there is any food in this house, you can give me food to eat.
You still haven't answered my question.
See, Enyama, it was Elo who suggested that we sell that land to see what we could do to bring you out of the prison. Though not a bad idea at all. After all, your land is my land.
Is that so?
Yes.
My land is your land.
We are the same family. And you see, your father is just a custodian. And he doesn't really own that land. You know?
Uncle Obu.
Yes.
You were the one who started the rumor saying I was jailed for life.
No.
Yes.
Hey.
So you started up that story in order to tamper with my properties, isn't it?
No. Hey, how can I do that? Hey.
Uncle Obu, I recall there are 2 parcels of land there belonging to 2 grandsons of this family.
Yes.
One being your son and my very self. Good. Now you see the one you sold is your son's portion. Yes. All right, the remaining one is mine. Now I warn you, stay away from that land, else you'll be talking with my lawyers, all right? Because I'm handing over that land to the Forestry Commission on lease.
What did you just say?
You heard me.
You want to bring forestry people into that place?
Yes, of course. And
To do
whatever
what?
I do with that land is my business and not yours. Do you understand me?
No. Enyama, you are dividing that land into 2. You are sharing it into 2. Between you and my son Obina.
Gets into that land, he will be talking in a different tongue, and that will be from the police station.
Hey.
I've told my lawyers to take siege, so I warn you and your son, back off. Do you understand me? Back off.
Enyama, where are you going to? This is a family meeting, no? You are my junior. I'm your uncle. Enyama, come back here. Don't walk out on me. Hey.
Have you seen what wickedness can translate to? Have you seen it? So tell me, when my son wants to build a house in the future, where will he do that? In the air? My God, I can't tell why certain people get foolish at old age.
And who are the certain people?
You are a disappointment. That's what you are. A big disappointment.
Go away from here before I do what I've never done in my life.
Do what?
Leave my hand on you now.
Me? Yes. You thought you could take your man for a ride? Yes. You thought you could do that? Look at the way he dealt with you. If you think you're man enough, go and drive the land with him. Ochajago. Go and drive the land. Running away. Go and drive the land. Eh? It's only where I am that you have strength. Only where I am that you have strength. Go and drag the land with any. Go and drag. No, go and drag land.
Trying now.
I'm trying, darling. I know, just take it easy. One step at a time. One step at a time. Okay? Like Doctor said, just keep going. Okay? There you go. I know my wife is struggling. Easy, baby. Easy.
Okay.
Easy, I'm with you. Okay? Just one step at a time.
Coming, I'm
yes,
coming.
We're almost at the car. Okay?
Okay.
Easy. One step at a time.
I'm just leaving. Jesus.
Easy. I know we're there, baby. We're there. Easy, just keep going. My love, keep going.
I'm coming.
Just keep going.
Okay.
Yes.
Why? Do you know what you're going to do?
I'm just going to get to the
Oh my mother.
Yeah. John, how are you? Yes, Mama. Well, I actually brought you here
show you my house.
Eh?
Yes.
House?
Yes, this is my house. I just bought it.
Our house? Yeah! My son.
Yes, Mama. But still, I kept it a secret from Luchy. Yes, so Mama, I brought you here to show you her room so that you can help me pack her stuff while I'm at the hospital, because I'm bringing her and baby here. All right? Help me pack her stuff, bring them here.
And you think now a landlady? Eh?
Hey. Let me show you your room as well. Okay, let me show you your room.
It's so amazing.
While we were taking your late son into my car, he whispered to my friend saying he had money in his own car, that we should go get it. We then responded.
And you kept the money all these years?
I decided I was going to give you the money to prove my innocence. This is your son we're talking about here. And you're his mother. So you deserve to have all of it.
It's so difficult to see somebody like you. I'm sorry for the humiliation I caused you. I'm very sorry. Forgive me, please. As for the money, I want you to keep half of it. Norma, please. I am very sorry. Collect this money, please. 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 See, my son would have wanted you to take the money. Please.
Baby.
It's okay, my angel.
Okay.
It's okay.
Stop crying.
It's okay.
Stop crying. Please.
It's okay.
Hereby sentenced to 5 years imprisonment. This is my judgment.
It's okay.
It's okay. It's all right. Let me serve you refreshments.
Thank you.
Oh, the sky is burning. Curse the stars to fall, and the rain is looming. Lord, come shelter me. Don't you pass me over. Take away my pains. Don't you pass me over. truckload of shame.